Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. My name is Tiani Vation, and we're back with Let's Play Dante's Inferno. I almost forgot what I was gonna say for a second. What is going on up there? They're just meat grinding people. Oh my gosh, they're making ground beef. Oh, you. Yeah, come here, buddy. See, he's running away. He's a little pussy cat. Okay, what do you do? Push? Oh, pull. It's a pull, guys. Wait. Okay. Do you think I'm scared of you guys? Yep, take the power of God. You're dead. Ah! Oh, that was a waste. Come here! You don't know what I've been through. You have no idea what I've been through. Yep. Come on. What you got, kid? Ow! Whoa! Whoa! Angry boy! Yeah, he's dead. Oh, wait, do I? Whoa! Come on, let me do this. What did I say? Everything in this game is timed. I should have known better. I should have known better. This is a tough level. So many puzzles and little things you gotta do. So they want you to grab this and then they're like, oh wait, no, you can't grab it anymore because you're Dante. And Dante likes to look at stuff. Dante likes to look at stuff happen. Dante, just hit me. Hit me. Ow! There you go. Come on. Come on. Ah. Come on. I'm so close. No! Oh yes, now's my time. Now is my time. Nope. Get away. Get away. I know there was a... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're fighting the beast. Ow. What is... Oh! Jeez! How do you guys like this, huh? You wanna know? Oh, that hurt. Whoa! Get me away from there. Oh, you explode? Ow. Come here. I wanna do this guy. Did I kill him? Yeah, I did. Ow! Get away, you fire demons. You fire minions. Oh, we got him. We got him. Get up. Yes. Oh, I forgot what I have to do here. What do I have to do? X. Up. Y. B. Oh my gosh, I chopped him in half like a lemon. What do you guys want, huh? You wanna smash? I wanna smash. Come here. Blow fire on you. Cook you up. What do I have to break? Do I have to break something with him? Maybe the door? Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. We're supposed to just dismantle this whole place. Wait. Can I go back? No. Ah, there's so much mana in there. And other stuff. It's too late now. Yep, just sit there while I do this. Hey! Alright, now we go. Now we try. Boom. Alright, see you later. Thank you for your participation. Hey, it's our friend. It's our best friend. Alright, what do you have to say?
The earth's treasure that is beneath the moon, or ever was, cannot give relief to these weary souls. What a mockery is made of the brief battle for possessions that makes so short a life.
Honestly, I was kind of... Hell no. What's up here? Ooh. Is this where I'm supposed to go? Or is this like the side? Yeah, it looks like where I'm supposed to go. So I'm going to go over here. Because I feel like there's a side thing I can get. Yes, there is. Oh, yes, there is. What can we get? Is it another goat? Another demon goat? Yes, it is. Absolve. What do we get? Coin of Plutus. Alright. That's cool. Jump, jump. Over all these forgotten souls rotting in hell. And now we continue to the main story. Whoa. And a jump. Jump. Wee, wee, wee. Oh, wait, wait. I guess I can jump down here. Whoa. Holy crap. What are you? Woo! He's like a... treat him like a bull. Get up. Get up. Oh, you can parry me? Come on. Fight me like a man. Or whatever you are. Fight me like a demon. What are you doing? Ow! Okay, I can't block him. I can't block him. Oh, wait, wait. Let's absolve him. Yeah! How do you like that? I bet he didn't like that one bit. I bet that hurt him more than me punishing him. But me punishing him might have been a cooler animation. 30 pieces of silver, Judas coin. Awesome. Oh, what is that big person right there? Is that just... What did you do, buddy? Oh, you're just dead. You're not even moving. You're just dead. No! No! Oh my gosh. Ow! 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 How do you just spam that? Oh, wait. No! No, I can't get that lady. Ow! You're aiming the wrong way, Dante. Are you? Oh my god, Dante. What is wrong with... Can I... No. Alright, I can't save that lady, guys. I know. I know. I suck. Oh no, not these girls. Not these girls. You definitely need Jesus. She definitely needs... Oh no. No! She's trying to seduce me. Ah! Ow! Get away. Gosh, I hate those bird bat demon bats. Those are so annoying. Alright. What's up next? What do I have to do? What puzzle do I have to solve? You're gonna drop me right here? Or do I jump? Nope. Drop or jump? Oh. Jump down. Health! Give me the health. I need that. All these people holding up hell, man. Satan can't do it himself. Anything over here? Yes. I would love mana. That's a pretty cool fountain. I might get one for myself. Oh, what is this? Can I do anything to you guys? Or you're just a pile of bodies? That's a weird decoration style, but, you know, everyone has their own taste. Oh! That's what they were for. They were blocking up the exit. Oh no, not this. Not this. Ah! Alright, you want to tango? You want to tango with me? Huh? Yep. Come on. Punish this one. Oh! Chop his head off. Yeah. That was pretty cool. Okay, yeah, I get it. I get more stuff from that. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Kill this. Oh no, where do I have to start from? God damn it. Oh my gosh, you guys are making me get the health, get the mana. Alright. Let's go. Give me that. Dante, because Dante just can't turn down a fight. He's got to just fight everybody. I'm just not even going to talk about that one, because that one can be left unsaid. Alright? Just leave it how it is. You don't got to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I know there's an elefante in our room. Yeah, the elephant in the room is that I need a haircut. And, I don't know when I'll get one next. But I need one badly. Okay, yep. Yeah, come on, big boy. Ow! Ow! Storm of Lust. Storm of Lust, take it. Take it. Take the storm. Oh, we're gonna punish you again. Punish you again. Yeah, you can't stop it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I just have to, oh! God mode. God mode. Activate. God mode. God mode. I am a god. Even though I'm not. I'm in hell. Punish you. Chop your head off. Decapitate. Oh yeah, you're not strong enough. You are getting absolved. Woo! Oh yeah! I just sent his soul to the big boom. Who do I have to kill? Who's still alive? You? You little piece of poop? Piece of poop stuck in my teeth. That's disgusting. I should have said something else. But my analogies are not that great. I'm not an analogist. What did that just do? Oh my god. Oh, alright. Let's do this again, because this is like my favorite part of the game. I just love doing this stuff. I just love it. It's like so fun, I can't get enough. I cannot get enough of this level. And I just cannot get enough. I don't know what to say. That's why I jumped in the golden melting lava. Yep. Ow. Woo. Back. Back, I say. Come on. Don't parry me. Spare me. Yep. Let's kill you guys. Off screen. You don't even deserve an on-screen death. Just like Transformers characters. Yep, go in the lava. Oh, I didn't even realize I could do that to them. You're getting punished. Because I am sick and tired of this. Sick and tired. Yes, we know. Yes, we know. Oh, I did it. Finally. Okay. Let's not kill ourselves. Let's not die. Okay. Up we go. What is this gonna do? Oh, yes. Cool. Do I have to do that to the other side too? I assume so. Yes, I'm smart. Look at me getting better. Not really. Ah, gosh, this is taking forever, Dante. You gotta lift the weights more. You gotta stop drinking booze. Stop it with the women, man. They're just there for your money. And let's get this. Bada bing. Fire blast. Get rid of those statues. And now, what do I do? I do not want to die in this lava. Can I double jump there? Double jump, yes. Oh yes, let's get a save. Let's get a save. Yes, we'll go here, I guess. I don't know if it matters. Maybe I should just... Wait. Okay. I just wanted to check what's over here. I just want to check. Ah, yes, yes. I'm so glad I didn't leave. Or else I wouldn't have been able to go God mode again. Oh, will I get a coin? Judas Silver? I called it. Gosh, I'm the best. I'm the best, I'm the strongest, I'm the smartest, I'm the fastest. I'm the sexiest. Sexiest man alive. Benny Blanco. Come here, Nor. Nothing you can do. Yep.
You were spoiled by your mother. You were useless.
Are you talking to me? Is that my dad? What is this guy doing? Just, oh my god, that thing can just walk in the golden lava. That's pretty insane. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.